Here's how to fix unable to remove payment method problem on iPhone. So the first solution is go to your iPhone settings, tap on your name, tap on subscriptions. If you have an active subscription, just cancel the subscription and check the issue. And the second solution is change your country or region. Tap on your name, tap on media and purchases, tap on view account, tap on country region, and here select any other country. And once done, restart your iPhone and hope this will fix your problem. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.